Hello. Today we are going to talk about few courses which are offered by Google and they are absolutely free of cost. Google is providing a certificate and these courses are job oriented. If you are expert in these courses, you can apply for a job as well. Also, these courses help you to polish your skills, which are helpful for grabbing a job. Specialty of these courses is anyone can do it, no matter if you are 10th pass or 12th pass, graduate or postgraduate or fresher who are searching for a job, or an experienced candidate looking for a better position or a better company can also enroll in these courses. So we are going to see list of courses we have, how to register for these courses, what's the process of learning, how to take an exam and grab a certificate. All these courses are free of cost, but I have no idea till when these courses will be available for free. So personally, I would suggest you to complete the courses and enhance your skills as earlier as possible. Let's properly utilize this time and make a benefit of it. Watching web series, playing Ludo or any other games are not going to help. Okay, so now let's dive into how to register for these courses. Open the browser and search for the Google Garage. Tap on the first link and it will land you to the Google Garage homepage. So Google is offering close to 126 courses. It is a combination of free courses and paid courses. Not to worry, I'm just showing you about the free courses. Just scroll the screen down and tap on the see more topics. So it will take a moment to load. If you have a faster internet, it will load faster. So on the left hand side, if you see, there are few filters which is offered by Google. So first is about category. So we have about data and technology category, digital marketing category and career development category, and second to that we have a filter of course length. So what is the duration of course which you are looking for? Is it under 2 hours or above, close to 2 to 10 hours or above 11 to 20 hours, etc. And if you see, we have a certification. As I said, here we have free certification courses and paid certification courses. So a course is about free certification. I am going to show you only about the free certification courses. And course level difficulty, select according to your wish. So I'm going to show you about. So I have already registered for this digital marketing. So it is open directly launching me to start page. So now let me show you how to register for a course. So once you have opened the page, if you already have a Google account, then you can directly sign in to the Google account. So once you have signed in, so second page which you will see on the screen is this. It would be asking for your first and last name. So this is the name which you want to be print on the Google certificate that you are going to receive, and it will also asking for the few email preferences set according to you. Accept the permissions and tap on the complete. Once you are done with this, you will see this sort of screen where you can access the courses. And if you see here, there are few badges. So each badge consists of few set of videos. Once all the 6 badges turns into green, you are now eligible to take a exam. Please proceed to take a exam only when you are perfect with the course. Hoping viewers will register most of the courses and enhance their skills. Thanks for watching this video. Consider subscribing my channel. Have a great day.